Alrighty, so this will be the first test after glow plugs are done. You can't read that. That says 19 degrees in the shop. It is freezing ass in here. So that's Fahrenheit. I got the glow plugs put in this thing. Fix that harness. Check out the other video if you want to see what that's like. Yeah, we got new glow plugs and all that good stuff. So we're gonna see if they work. Truck has not been plugged in or anything since yesterday. So, Jesus, cold. Let's see. Let's see if she'll work. Hit the pedal to the floor. Wait for these puppies to cycle, which hopefully they do. Make sure we're neutral here. She is a cold one out. Okay, let's see what happens. Wow. She's running. All right, that was excellent. This thing fucking runs great. Whoa, a little smoky in here. Got this bitch up. That was a really cold start. So yeah, so fixed the issue. So now she runs fantastic. That's what I wanted to see is cold start. Glow plugs work now. Fuel system's good. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and have a good day. We'll talk to you later.